Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tiffany and today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be unboxing my key pouch. So we'll get right into it. I did order it online, so it comes of course in this packaging, the receipts and everything here, and we will dive right into this. And once I've opened it and showed you the key pouch and things, I'll explain how I got it, because as you know, it's quite a hard item to get hold of on the website. Of course, the gift little envelope in here. I always like to look at this because it's just so cute and small, and write something cute if it's a gift or something. And then it's always wrapped up very nicely. Here we are. Okay, I thought it was like a pen mark for a sec, but it's just a shadow. Here we have the key pouch in the monogram canvas. Ooh. Okay, so let's have some first impressions of it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a bit squished. Let me put it this way. Get that to focus, that's better. It's slightly squished, but hopefully that's alright. I mean, once I fill it with stuff, I guess that'll be okay. I'll probably compare it. Let me grab, because I have a another key pouch I bought recently, so I just want to compare it so you can see why I'm a bit like, as to why it's so squished. So here's my other key pouch I've recently purchased. I've already filmed the unboxing for this one, but it'll be on my channel a bit later because I don't want to do too many Louis Vuitton unboxings in a row. But do you see the comparison? Where this one, I'll turn them the same way around, seems a bit squished compared to the pochette clay. Anyway, that's just first impressions. I mean, I'm just being a bit picky. Let's have a look to see where it's made. Made in France. I don't know if it's going to focus, because even the writing's a bit blurred actually. But it says made in France. Doesn't come with any of the you know, the product code and the material thing. That's strange. Okay, this is probably most definitely like a returned one, because I've had a couple key pouches. I got the Damier Ben and this one the other day, and they both came like with, you know, the card, these. That is strange that it didn't come with anything. I think maybe this is definitely a return. Let's have a look at the zipper, because this will be the... Oh. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but I think where it's buckled a bit here, the zipper doesn't just go smoothly. I'll compare it with my... Do you see that zip is just buttery and smooth? And then this one is like, where this dent is here, it's like sort of like you have to apply a bit more pressure when you get to here. I don't know how I feel about this. Let me look at the hardware. Okay, other than like my fingerprints just now, I don't know if this is going to focus. Other than my fingerprints, it does look a little scratched up. Yeah, that is actually a little scratched up. I don't know if you can see around here, but it is a bit scratched up. Sorry, I don't think my camera will focus if I put something this close to it. But yeah, you might be able to see that just around here. It's a bit scratched up. Wow. I'm a bit disappointed. I can't lie. So with this key pouch, to score it, I literally just stalked the website. I got the Damier Ben one for Christmas, and so it just like reignited my love for the Louis Vuitton key pouch. I wanted to collect all the prints, hence so I got this one and then this one. So I saw this in stock first. The unboxing will probably be my channel like a month or so, and then this one literally the next day. I saw it in stock. I mean, they're never like in stock normally, but you just have to keep checking back. If you're desperate for it and checking it all the time like I was, refreshing the page, you'll see at some point it just goes in stock. And I quickly snagged it. But now I'm a bit disappointed because, you know, you just want things to be perfect when you purchase from somewhere, especially like Louis Vuitton. This key pouch I got, it was £145, and the next day that had the price increase. So I'll put a screen grab here of I had my wish list. So what I would do is put everything I wanted in my wish list and just refresh the page. And so once I got these, the next day their price increased. So £145 I got it for. The next day it turned to £175. So this is where I have a bit of a dilemma now. If this was like a normal day, I would have just returned this. But now I don't want to return it and then buy it again for the higher price. It's just a bit of a principle thing. Like, if it was perfect, I wouldn't have to return it. But this zip, I already know is going to annoy me. And if it's already being difficult now, what's it going to be like in a year or so? The whole point of like buying expensive pieces like this is that they're things you can enjoy for a long period of time. Like this zipper feels like the kind of thing I'd buy from somewhere that like, okay, if it breaks in 5 minutes I don't mind because I only paid like a tenner for it. But when you're paying like nearly £150 for a key pouch, you do want the zipper to be smooth. So I'm a little bit disappointed with this. I know they don't do online exchanges, so what most stores are doing now is that you have to just bring it into store, and it doesn't matter how long it's been because obviously all the stores are closed at the moment due to lockdown, so they will let you exchange it once you bring it into store. But yeah, I can't go through the thing of returning it and then buying it again because I have secured it for this price. And it's just a principle thing. Like, I don't want to pay £30 more for it now, even though it's only £30. It's just the principle of, I bought this for £145, the next day the exact same thing went up by £30. Do I want to buy and pay a bit extra just to have it? Whereas I can just wait till the stores open again and exchange this. I just hope it's not like a hassle of it not being in stock. I mean, the dent, like if it was just a dent, I could live with that because I would just stuff it and hope that it would get its shape back. But the fact that the zip is stiff in this section as well, I just don't think it's worth, because then if I have to replace the zip in a year or two, I'm going to be annoyed that I didn't just exchange it. So yeah, well, sorry to be like such a downer in this video. I was hoping to be like, oh my gosh, too excited, got my key pouch, but yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed. Oh, even the hardware on the zip looks a bit scratched up. Yeah, I don't like when things are very clearly returned items. Like if it came with all the little stuff, like all the papers and stuff in here, and the hardware wasn't all scratched up, I wouldn't mind, because that's life. People return things, they don't want it when they see it, when they finally get it. But when something is like very clearly a returned item, it's just a bit like, come on. I don't know. So yeah, I guess I may have to return this. I mean, let me know what you guys think in the comments, whether I should just wait till I can exchange it in store, or would you return it and just pay the higher price when it comes back in stock again? I don't know, maybe I'm just being fussy, but let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you do want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course stay tuned for the unboxing of this little guy, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.